Welcome everybody. I'm Yogeshwar, and tonight we have the Fed policy. It is a very common thing that before a major policy profit booking happens, sell-off happens. And here in our market, there is one other thing. We have a long-term capital gains that will come into effect from next month. So there are a lot of big players who are booking their profits now. So this is an advantage that I took today, and I could make good money. Just so now, so I booked here 33,000 rupees so far, and I have these trades going on. I'll square off all my trades today. I'll not be carrying anything till tomorrow. So I'll square off everything today by about 3:27, just before the market closes. I'll be squaring off, and in my option positions, I have booked a profit of about 12,643 rupees, and these trades will go till till tomorrow. These are options trades here. So let me just look at the market. How has this market been behaving? Let's check out the market. See here, this market opened gap up almost 40 points, then went up almost 100 point plus. And this is where the sell-off started. So there were signals, oscillator indicators, which were telling you about it. And roughly around this place, I started shorting. And I also have a Telegram channel. So I have written on that channel right in the morning. Those who want, they can be part of my Telegram channel. In this video, in the content down, I'll give you the link to the Telegram channel that I have, where every day I write some comments about the market while I'm trading. So here we see this came down and filled the gap here. This is where the gap filling happened. After that, it moved a little up, and now it is further moving on the downward side here. So the bigger picture is that the market is still bearish. So it takes some retracement. For example, here there was a level, a buying level. This was a buying level here. Price came in this level, and people who had shorted the market, some short covering happened at this level. In addition, some buying came at this level, but did not sustain. And you are seeing today the candle that is being formed is a red candle. We have pressure from the downward side. On the downward side from the top, look at the tail. This is a pressure that is going, and in case it moves further down, it can go in this again, and this is not a very strong level. Price have come here before, once, twice, thrice, fourth time it is coming here. And if the profit booking continues, this is a very much possible level, about 9,700 rupees level. That can be a good level for the market by the month end. So if no fresh buying comes, no fresh buying initiates. Banknifty was also weak here. If I look at Banknifty today, Banknifty was also weak, and Banknifty has been falling down, and almost the same pattern is being seen here. And this is a level you can be looking at. Maybe around this level, it will try to come, and if it breaks further down, it can go more down. The last PE of Nifty that I saw was 24.7. At the peak, the P level was about 27.8. So a 3-point drop in P has taken down the market by about 1,000 points. The average P of the market has been around 2021, so which might take maybe the market about 1,000 point down if a selling persists, if no fresh buying comes into the market. So this is what the market is. Most of the PSU banks, if you see, they have. Let's look at some PSU banks. SBI came down and filled the gap totally. Remember, this was the gap I've been talking in my videos. It has come down, filled the gap, and now is going further down. There's no buying coming in SBI, and maybe further downside might be there in this here. So then here in this is the level you can be looking at. If it continues to go down, this can be a nice level to look at. Maybe about 240 to 40 rupees level can be there in this that you can look at. Then another bank where there was a scam recently was Punjab National Bank. And you see Punjab National Bank is forming a flat pattern, maybe further downside into this market going up has not really done anything for Punjab National Bank. And we see Punjab National Bank is having a selling pressure. And if a sell-off happens further from here, won't be very surprised if it comes down to about 75 rupees level from here. So this is how the market is, and selling off continuing. We have a Fed policy today, so here I will not be taking much of my positions home. So I'll be booking, like here I'll like to get out, book my small profit. Only my options, I'll take some positions till tomorrow. Rest I won't. This I'll also square off. This I'll be taking off, and this one also I will square off. So I'm taking off all my positions and making it absolutely clean here. And I'll also make sure that there are no pending orders. I don't have any pending stop loss orders. And we are in cash. I booked a profit of 1450 rupees. I have bought LIC Housing Finance in the morning, but the move did not happen as I wanted it. So I can I'm getting out of this here. I'm out of also here. I booked a 758 rupees. And if I go into my options here I booked about 12,000 rupees. I'll reduce some loss here. So this one, 10,300, I'll reduce a little. Rest I will carry. I have enough time value with me to support these trades here. So here I booked a profit of 9,831 rupees. So 9,831 here, and in this account, this is the account I trade with my regular people in my trading room. The other one I normally work on the advanced option trading room. So here it is 32. So 40,000 rupees I have made today. So nice money on a capital of about 10 lakh rupees. And let's see what the Fed policy is. If Fed increases the interest rate, that won't be positive for the markets. They are likely to come down. And in case there is no rate change, there might be a temporary buying that might come. So because of that, I'll square off my positions today, and I can take fresh positions tomorrow. So still 5 more trading days left this month. Take care. There might be more selling, mutual funds, other big players, booking their profits in order to save the long-term capital gains. So next 4 or 5 days, you might see some more selling profit booking coming. See you again, guys, with one more analysis. I'm Yogeshwar Vashishtha, and I wish you profits in your trade. God bless you.